If you were starting from scratch with zero experience and wanted to make $700 or more every day online, where would you even begin? The internet is filled with advice, but most of it is outdated or just plain misleading. Today, I'm going to show you 3 hidden business models that can get you there faster than you ever imagined. These aren't your usual how to make money online tips. Forget about dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or crypto. What I'm sharing today is something that almost nobody talks about, yet it's something you can start right now, even if you have zero experience or skills. You've probably heard about all the big money strategies online, like starting your own dropshipping empire or diving into the world of crypto. But let's be real, most of those paths can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. But before I reveal those 3 super online business models, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Now let me break down these 3 online business models in a way that's easy to follow so you can start right away. The best part? You don't need to have any prior marketing or tech experience to get started with any of these. I'm going to show you exactly how to take advantage of opportunities that no one else is talking about. Ready? Let's jump into the first business model. Business Model 1: Social Media Management for Local Businesses. Now let's start with something everyone knows is important, but very few small businesses are actually doing: social media. Businesses know they need to be on social media to reach more customers, but they don't have time to manage it. Here's the thing, you can offer a social media management service to these businesses and get paid $500 to $1,000 a month for simply setting up and managing their social media accounts. Here's how you do it. 1. Find businesses without social media. Use tools like LeadScrape or D7 Lead Finder to look for businesses in your area or any area that don't have social media accounts. For example, let's say you're in the market for restaurants. You can search for restaurants and find businesses without a Facebook or Instagram page. 2. Send an email offering your service. Once you find the businesses, send a message by getting their email addresses from here. The message may sound something like this: "Hey, I noticed your business doesn't have a social media presence. I can help set up a Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter account for your business. It'll bring in more customers, and you won't have to worry about managing it." 3. Set up the accounts. After the business owner agrees, set up their social media accounts. You'll create a Facebook page, an Instagram account, and even a Twitter or TikTok page depending on the type of business. 4. Automate everything. Once their social media pages are set up, you can automate their posts. There are tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and even ChatGPT that will create posts for you. You can schedule content in advance, so you're not constantly having to post. 5. Charge a monthly fee. Small businesses are willing to pay $300 to $500 a month for this service. Once it's all set up, your job is simply to keep things running smoothly, and you can use automation to do most of the work. This model is fantastic because once you've set things up, you don't have to spend much time on it. The business gets customers, and you get paid every month for your knowledge of social media management. Business Model 2: Website Design for Local Businesses. Okay, let's talk about a business model that's perfect for beginners. Building websites for local businesses. No, you don't need to know how to code, and you certainly don't need to be a web designer. Let me show you how this can become your money-making machine. So, first things first, local businesses need websites. It's a fact. Every plumber, electrician, restaurant, or shop needs a professional online presence. The problem, most of them don't have the time, know-how, or budget to hire a professional web designer. That's where you come in. Here's what you're going to do. 1. Find local businesses without websites. You can start by visiting sites like yellowpages.com or any business listing site. Let's use restaurants as an example. Search for restaurants near me or restaurants in your city and start scrolling through the results. 2. Look for businesses without websites. Once you're on a list of restaurants or any other business type, scroll through until you find one without a website listed. For example, here you can see some restaurants with websites, but you scroll down, you will see some restaurants with no websites. That's a jackpot, guys. 3. Get a professional template. Next, go to a site like Template Monster and search for website templates. Specifically, search for restaurants website templates. You'll find a ton of ready-made templates. These templates are professionally designed with everything a restaurant might need: images, text, and even layout. 4. Contact the business. Once you have your template, it's time to reach out to the business owner. You can send them a message with the images or screenshots of the template offering to create a website for them. Here's what you can say in your email or message. Hey, I noticed your business doesn't have a website. I can create a professional, fully functional website for you, and it'll help bring in more customers. I found a great template that would work perfectly for your business. Let me know if you'd like to discuss further. 5. No web design skills required. Now, the best part, you don't even need to build the website yourself. With Template Monster, you can use their web development service and you can get a fully functional website for the business. 6. Charge $700 or more. You can easily charge between $700 to $1,000 or even more for a website like this. You're not doing the hard work, Template Monster is doing all the heavy lifting. You're just acting as the middleman, finding businesses that need websites and connecting them with a service that builds them. Imagine doing this just 4 to 5 times a week. That's $2,800 to $3,500 a week in pure profit. And all you need to get started is a computer, an internet connection, and a bit of research to find businesses that need a website. Business Model 3. Free platforms for selling services. You might be good at something. It could be video editing, script writing, or designing. Make these skills a resource to make money. But wait, you might be thinking that you already know about this and the idea sounds outdated. Yes, but here's a catch. What you are actually going to do that you offer one-time free service to a client. If the client likes your free service, then be sure you are good to grab a chance to work with the client. But unfortunately, the client declines your free service, then think, how can the client buy you service? The catch here is that if you fail to sell your free service, then how can you make a client to pay for your paid services? Now let's talk about where to sell your services. There are plenty of free and accessible platforms to get started. Here's how to choose the right one for you. 1. Service marketplaces. Platforms like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, or Upwork are excellent for connecting with clients right away. These marketplaces take a small fee, but they're perfect for beginners looking to gain experience and build a portfolio. 2. Social media use. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn to market your services directly to potential clients. Share posts that highlight your skills, showcase testimonials, and include relevant hashtags to increase your visibility. 3. Free website tools. A professional website helps you stand out from the competition. Use tools like Google Sites, Wix, or Canva to create one for free. Be sure to include a list of your services, your contact information, pricing details, or an option for free quotes. Pro tip: start small. Focus on one platform first to get the hang of things, and expand to other channels as you grow. So, there you have it. 3 online business models you can start using today to make money online. Well, if you found this video helpful, please hit your friends and family to help make money online. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next.